Today in this video, I'm about to show you how you guys can compress and extract the file. Okay, so this is the file that I wanted to compress. So this is the PDF sticker file. We are going to compress this, all right? So just right click on this file and you will see something like compress to zip file. And then just click on there and it should give you this file. Okay, this is the zipped file or compressed file. Now, if you guys wanted to extract this, you can simply right click and extract all, or you can also open this up and you can drag and drop, or you can also click on this extract all button. All right, so the simplest is to drag and drop, and there you go. Well guys, I already have a file on desktop, so I'm just going to replace the file to destination, and there you go. So this is the file that you guys wanted to extract and compress, or you can still open this directly from your zip, but it will take time if it's like a bigger size. So this is it, guys. This is how you should be compressing and extracting the file on your Windows 11. Thanks so much for watching. See you guys in next video. Peace.